कब मिलना चाहोगे? When would you like to meet? When would you like to meet? जल्दबाजी मत करो। Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. वह पास में ही रहता है। He lives nearby. He lives nearby. क्या बोला आपने? What did you say? What did you say? नहीं, मैंने नहीं सुना। No, I didn't hear. No, I didn't hear. तुम इतना क्यों बोलते हो? Why do you speak so much? Why do you speak so much? वह मुझसे नाराज हो गई। She got pissed off me. She got pissed off me. अब मुझे उसे मनाना पड़ेगा। Now I will have to persuade her. वो बिल्कुल अलग बात है। That's a different matter altogether. That's a different matter altogether. यह मेरे लिए अग्नि परीक्षा है। This is the acid test for me. This is the acid test for me. मैं कुछ नहीं सुनना चाहता। I don't want to listen anything. I don't want to listen anything. मुझे मेरा पैसा वापस चाहिए। I want my money back. I want my money back. तुम यहाँ किस किस को जानते हो? Who all do you know here? Who all do you know here? यह देखा हुआ मूवी है। This is watched movie. This is watched movie. तुम्हें खुद ही पता चल जाएगा। You can say you'll find out yourself. You'll find out yourself. ऐसा करने में हर्ज ही क्या है? What is the harm in doing so? What is the harm in doing so? मुझे कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है। I am having to work hard. I am having to work hard. उसके काम में टांग मत अड़ाओ। Don't poke your nose into his matter. Don't poke your nose into his matter. वह जो कर रहा है उसे करने दो। Let him do whatever he is doing. Let him do whatever he is doing. देर होने के लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। I am sorry to be late. I am sorry to be late. बिना मांगे कुछ नहीं मिलता है। You will get nothing without asking. उस बात का इस बात से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। That matter has no connection with it. पानी गट गट करके मत पिया करो। Don't drink water while chugging. Don't drink water while chugging. तुम बात का बतंगर क्यों बना रहे हो? Why are you making mountain of the molehill?